we work with educational institutions to help provide materials for their learning. And so I think one of the biggest impacts is how formal learning is being changed by these developments such as big data and AI, and in particular the demand for younger students to have the flexibility of their education, that they're less comfortable with the formal classroom structure. They're also less tolerant of the time it takes to provide feedback. For example, they're used to gaming and things like that where they get instant feedback. And so I think from a company perspective like our own, we are required to think about how to provide these materials and provide new ways of learning. I think that then also impacts on how we as an organization function, in that we are trying to change from some of the materials and content and curriculum that we created before in order to serve new populations and new ways of learning. And I think that demands that we have to work in different ways. I think in particular data-driven curriculum design and development becomes increasingly important, and that data needs to be in real time so that you can actually create adaptive platforms to be able to understand how people are learning, how people are consuming that education, and be able to adapt it in order to make it meaningful for them in their particular environment.